you bloody fucking bastard.
Hindi, pare, ito. Lahat ng sasabihin namin Tagalog, i-translate ninyo sa English.
Pare tayo si Dolphy niya. Buti
Okay.
Everything do you...
I will be Big Soto. He will be,
Si ano muna tatanungin namin. Si...
No, I will sing in Filipino. He will translate in English.
Ito, pare, ito.
Diyan tayo magaling.
Alright, I will sing in English. You'll translate in Filipino.
Hindi, ito muna. Englishin mo to sasabihin ko. Pare, Englishin mo tong sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Okay, pare.
As a matter of fact.
Shut the fuck up, please. Mate.
Wait, I'll take my English here.
Where's the dictionary or what?
Sorry, I don't read.
It's not available today. No internet connection. Alright, go ahead.
Game.
Go ahead.
Game. Okay.
Action!
Action! Okay.
Is this drama or...
Sex.
Putay na triple X.
Triple X, man.
Triple X is dead. Is that...
Ito na, pare. Pare. Hindi, pare. Ito, gantong sitwasyon Ang senaryo, pare, magtitinginan kayo sa mata. Okay? Unti-unting naglalapit ang inyong mga muka. Okay? Sige, lapit.
Iba na lang! Hindi ko kaya.
Gusto mo action, pare? Gulpihan kayo? Manny Pacquiao versus Cotto? Sino si Cotto?
Itirisin mo ngayon.
Isa pa.
Itirisin mo ngayon.
Hindi nga, pare. Parang Tito Vic and Joey to, parang...
Sige, Englishin ko na. Ito na. Pare, Englishin mo Ang kapatid ko ay babae at lalaki.
My brother and sister are the same gender. My brother and sister are homosexual.
No, they're bisexual.
Sorry for that. Bisexual.
Bisexual. They can either be girl or boy.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
As a matter of fact,
Yeah.
Probably maybe yes.
Tingin ninyo ka.